So right now we're here at the Toyota Veloz V. So right here with me, my beautiful wife, Rich Segara. Follow her sa TikTok, Instagram, other accounts where she does content about being a mom, making money online, stuff like that, good stuff. So go ahead and follow her. So now she will be the one to drive the Veloz now, and we're gonna see her inputs as a lady driver, and hopefully this could help as well all the wives, all the lady drivers like I mentioned who are planning to buy the Toyota Veloz. So I'm excited. I can't wait to hear what she has to say. So babe, let's go.
Let's go.
So as of now, yan, medyo rough road terrain tayo, no? And then we're about to make a turn. So first thing that we're gonna know is kamusta si Toyota Veloz, yung kanyang steering. Ayan, so what can you say, mami?
Napakagaan. So it's easy to it's easy to manage or maneuver.
Right, cool. So yan, magaan. So napaka importante yan, isa sa mga pinaka-importante, no, as a lady driver for our like women nga na nag-drive, malambot yung steering. So check yan for Toyota Veloz. Ayan, we're gonna have another turn right here. Tapos medyo may lubak pa. Ayan, so just feel free to share as we go along. What are your thoughts?
Yeah, actually, na-appreciate ko sa Veloz kasi if beginner ka na lady driver, tapos takot ka sa malalaking sasakyan kasi 'di ba? If we think of big cars, medyo mahirap siyang dalhin, ganun. Especially if magti-think ka lang na yung pa-backing na. So yung na-appreciate ko sa Veloz V, it's because of the 360 camera. If ako, baguhan pa lang ako na mag-estimate pa ako kung saan ako susuot or even aatras ako, reliable talaga yung 360 camera. Tsaka, of course, with the aid of the rear view mirrors, side mirrors as well. So aside from that, kung marami kang anak, you can make sure na comfortable sila lahat. Because yung yung mga couches, comfortable tapos malaki.
Couch as in parang long sofa mode, you can, parang naka-couch talaga, parang sabay yung mga seats ni Toyota Veloz, parang relaxing lang.
And if you're a mom who has an athletic child, so di ba, for example, mahilig sa soccer game yung anak mo, mostly nakabantay ka lang sa kanya, tapos you're sitting down with one of the benches. And yung nagustuhan ko, it's because pwede siyang maging bed yung sa likod, so you can actually idlip. Because
na-fold flat yung second row tsaka third row.
Yes.
Tapos napakahaba pa, no? So sobrang laking space. You can have the time to take a nap. Bili ka lang ng parang airbed, maglatag ka lang dyan, and then pwede ka nang matulog, kumbaga. Okay, so another thing that I also noticed na pag kasi Rich kasi yung nagde-drive and then medyo traffic. One thing that is very convenient for the Toyota Veloz, I think even with the base model, is the electronic parking brake. So pag full stop, yan, pindot lang, switch lang, nag-handbrake na, compared dun sa traditional na handbrake. I think that medyo convenient yun para sa ating mga kababaihan, diba? So that's a good thing. Ayan, so speaking of traffic then, for example, gitgitan or parang may pumipili talagang sumingit, ganon. May share to us your experience about the advantage of the Toyota Safety Sense pre-collision braking system.
Okay, there was a time kasi na traffic talaga, parang gitgitan talaga yung traffic. Tapos merong tricycle na sumisingit sa front. So we're a bit moving kasi slow siya na traffic, ganun. Then na-feel ko lang na parang nag-stop kami bigla. Yun pala, it's because malapit na pala kami sa tricycle. So yung sasakyan na mismo yung nag-stop.
Yung.
So, doon ko na-realize, wow, amazing siya kasi you can make sure na you're secured, parang protected ka ganun at the same time. Kasi hindi mo na nakikita sa front eh. Although, yes, magaling ka mag-estimate kung magaling ka na driver, but we really don't know, di ba? So, yun, so far, yun ang gustuhan ko.
Yan, so that's Toyota Safety Sense for you guys. That's what you pay for. Ayan, so right now guys, we're about to park, no? By the way, we're about to go to church today. Don't forget to worship God, guys. Take time to thank Him for all the good things that He has given us.
Yes.
Ayan, we're about to find a parking slot, and then let's see what Rich has to say with regards to parking with a Veloz as a lady driver. So we found a spot right here, and then let's see. Activate 360 camera. Check. There you go.
Easy peasy.
Wow. Ayan o, may sensor. Boom! Boom! Yun!
Yan. Thank
You're
you,
a great
Lord.
driver.
Thank you so much. Thank
So-
you, 360.
So what can you say, babe, about the overall? Do you think it's really helpful? How helpful is it really as someone who's been driving, like all the things I said about your experience, and then now with the Toyota Veloz features, parking wise? Honestly, what can you say? Is it really gonna be helpful or not?
Super, super helpful. Yung maganda naman talaga if meron kang experience on how
Dapat
to
kailangan
park.
din
Oo.
marunong ka rin talaga, no?
How to park without the aid of the 360.
Rear view mirrors, side mirrors.
Yes.
Mhm.
Kasi what if hindi gumagana whatsoever?
Yes.
At least you know, di ba? But so far, kung merong ganito tapos okay naman, parang napapaisi na lang yung life mo as a driver. Walang anxiety attack, parang ganun.
It's
So,
just really different when you can see everything all
Yes.
around the car, no?
Mm.
Mga obstacles maybe, or merong mga objects you didn't see. May mga nakatambay dyan na like parang siguro gulong or whatever na mga objects, and kahit anong object pa yan, it can cause damage to your car, and
Yeah.
hassle yun.
Yung lines sa parking, 'di ba? Usually tayo, yung ginagawa natin, dinadown natin yung window para tignan kung inline lang ba tayo, 'di ba? Kasi ayaw din natin
Experience.
mag-diagonal sa parallel.
Ayaw natin na nakatabingi.
Oo, ganun. So, actually mas easier siya.
Experience din natin with Vios before na
Yeah.
yan nga, you wanna bababa ka or bubuksan mo yung pintuan to make sure that naka-straight yung yellow line sa
Yeah.
parking.
Yeah. Tapos isa din yung parang feature dito na yung steering wheel. So yung nagustuhan ko na feature din is itong parang dalawang white na you will know if naka-left or naka-right yung steering wheel mo. So usually bababa tayo kasi
Tignan natin kung
titignan natin.
naka straight ba yung gulong.
Yes. So right now mas easier na lang nakita ko na straight lang yung dalawang white dyan. So meaning okay lang yung wheels ko, naka-straight lang siya. Napa-easy yung life ko. Diretso na lang baba tapos punta ka na sa
Go na.
Oo.
Yun, lalo na pag nagmamadali or malilate na.
Yes.
So those little things just really give you a lot of convenience in life. Sige, so overall babe, what can you say sa mga nagbabalak, lady drivers or may mga asawa that they're planning to buy the Toyota Veloz?
I highly recommend. I highly recommend Veloz V. It's really helpful, especially sa mga baguhan or about to start their journey in driving. Beginner friendly talaga siya, and for sure hindi kayo no regrets. So yeah.
So sobrang, not to mention, sobrang elegante pa. Pagka especially if with the white pearl, bagay na bagay talaga siya with para sa akin lang. Bagay na bagay siya sa'yo.
Hindi
So,
ko pa na-include yung appearance.
exterior looks pala. Oh
Yeah.
yes, go ahead. What are your thoughts sa exterior looks
Well,
as
of
a
course,
woman? Yeah.
Madadala mo siya anywhere. Like, for example, like, formal events, ganon, or like mga picnics, ganon.
So
ganon.
pwedeng pang adventure, pwede ring pang
Formal events.
attend ng mga kasalan, mga formal events.
Yung sinabi ko kanina kasi more on features, but that's what I really appreciate sa car na to. Bonus na lang po yung exterior, 'di ba?
Iba rin
yun naman
kasi,
talaga
yun yung
mag-matter.
dating eh. Importante rin yung dating.
Yeah.
Yung arrive nung dala mong sasakyan. So that's what you think.
Yes. That's what I think. But
Alright.
it's you that I think.
Also think about you all the time. So yan. Thank you so much, babe, for your input. We highly appreciate it. And yan, hopefully sana nakatulong to for those of you who are wondering, and for all of you who has been planning to buy the Toyota Veloz for this particular purpose. Alright.